In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower Discord notification volume. If you've been trying to lower the volume of Discord notifications, it's important to know that Discord doesn't currently include a separate volume slider for individual notification sounds. Instead, the app gives you control over which notification sounds you hear, allowing you to reduce how often they're played by disabling the ones you don't need. This can make Discord much less distracting while still keeping you informed about the notifications that matter most. To get started, open Discord and look toward the bottom left corner of the application. Click the User Settings icon to open your account settings. This is where you'll find a variety of customization options for your Discord experience, including the settings related to notifications and sounds. Once you're inside User Settings, scroll down through the menu on the left until you find the Notifications section. Click on it to open your notification preferences. Here, you'll see several options that control how Discord alerts you when different events occur. Within the Notifications page, locate the Sounds section. This is where you can decide which notification sounds Discord should play. If you'd like to silence every notification sound at once, you can disable all notification sounds using the available option. This is the quickest way to stop Discord from playing any alert sounds while still allowing visual notifications to appear. If you don't want to disable every sound, you can instead customize them individually. Discord provides separate toggles for different notification events, such as receiving a message, joining or leaving voice channels, muting, and other common activities. Simply turn off the sounds that you find unnecessary while leaving the ones you still want to hear. This gives you much more control over your notification experience without completely muting Discord. Take a moment to review each available sound option and decide which notifications are actually useful for you. Disabling unnecessary sounds can help create a quieter workspace, especially if you're active in multiple servers or receive frequent notifications throughout the day. Although Discord doesn't currently allow you to reduce the volume of specific notification sounds independently, adjusting these sound settings is the closest built-in solution. By disabling the sounds you don't need, you can significantly reduce interruptions while continuing to receive the notifications that are most important to you. That's all there is to it. With just a few changes in your notification settings, you can make Discord much less noisy and create a more comfortable experience that fits the way you use the app. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,